In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment in your audience dashboard. To get started, head over to the audience area in your account and select segments. This is where you can build targeted groups based on specific behaviors or attributes, which is incredibly useful when you want to send more relevant content to the right people. Instead of messaging your entire audience the same way, segments help you narrow things down and communicate more strategically. Once you're inside the segments section, look for the Create Segment action button and click it. This opens the setup area where you can define exactly who should be included in this new segment. Take your time here, because this is the part that determines how accurate and useful your segment will be. Next, set your desired condition criteria. For example, you might choose something like tag is if you want to target contacts who have already been labeled in a certain way, or campaign activity open if you want to focus on people who have opened a previous email campaign. The condition you choose should match the goal of the segment you're building. If you're planning a follow-up message, activity-based conditions can be very helpful. If you're organizing your audience by category or interest, tag-based criteria may be a better fit. After choosing your condition, click Review Segment. This step is important because it lets you screen the filtered recipient collection pool outputs before you finalize anything. In other words, you'll be able to preview the contacts who match the criteria you selected. This gives you a chance to confirm that your filters are working the way you expected. If the results look too broad or too limited, this is the moment to go back and adjust the condition before saving. Once everything looks correct, click Save Segment. You'll then be prompted to type a unique descriptive name for the segment. Make sure the name is clear enough that you'll recognize it later without needing to open it again. A good segment name should reflect the logic or audience type you used so it stays easy to manage as your list grows. Finally, confirm the setup to complete the process. Your new segment will now be saved and ready to use in future campaigns, automations, or